Welcome here, sports fans. It's finally here, day 3 of the Reindeer Rumble. After 2 weeks of grueling competition, we finally have our finals, and our competitors are ready to go here. Tell us what you think there, Steve-O.
You know what they say, Colin? The early bird gets the chicken wing.
Okay, Steve-O, let's see how these two teams got to the finals here. In the cup stacking event, it was Steven and Ian who had the top time, but in the present tossing and puzzle solving event, Jackie and Corson were the lead dogs. Let's see how these two stack up in the finals and who will take home the cash prize. It's truly a battle of style versus hideously ugly Christmas sweaters. Who will reign victorious? You're about to find out. It's the final round of the Reindeer Rumble.
And they're off and running. The teams are reading their first clues. Colin?
Once again, our fans voted Jackie best dressed, Steve-O.
She looks like that shower on the thruway last week. Oof.
Teams are off to a quick start stacking the pyramids. Who do you like here, Steve-O? For the next clue, they need to make a mini cup tower.
Making a mistake here could cost them all the moolah. Oof, whoopa.
Ian is on the hardest part of the competition. He has to get the reindeer statue, mind you, only using his mouth and the candy cane to sit on top of the mini cup tower.
That takes a lot of patience, Colin. I like to give her. Ian nails it. Holy moly! The reindeer look nervous. The glasses look nervous. Heck, I'm nervous.
And look at that! They dropped it!
Jackie is having a disastrous round, Colin.
Ian and Steve are on the final challenge of the game. Down the stretch for the win. They just need to knock over the tower with the arrow. He misses the first try. The suspense is killing me.
Bullseye.
What an unbelievable finish. After 3 long weeks of competition, we finally have our champion, Steve-O.
Well, I know friends in low places. I love that song, Colin.
Yeah, it is a pretty good song.
You know what they say, Colin. If you're not first, you're last. Look at Corson.
We have our champions. What an amazing finish.
I'm really sweaty, and it's not from the hot wings.
And they've done it. Ian and Steven have won the $8,000.
Let the good times roll.
And here comes the mayor. He looks incredible. What an honor it is to have him here presenting today.
I love this guy. I voted for him. He actually picked me up for Mezzies one time, Colin.
Yes, our beloved mayor is a part-time Uber driver.
He drives a hybrid Colin.
Okay. Right now, we're asking everybody to be quiet. The mayor is about to speak.
On behalf of the great city of Edmonton and recreational power sports, I present Steven and Ian with this check. Thank you, my sister. For $8,000 for the accomplishment in the Reindeer Rumble.
Big congrats on our winners. And that's a wrap on this year's Reindeer Rumble. We'd like to thank you all for welcoming us into your homes this year.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Ring, ring, ring. Just what the doctor ordered, Colin.
Yeah. Ring, ring, ring. What is it? Okay, sorry, say it again.
Ring, ring, ring. Just what the doctor ordered, Colin.
Ring, ring, ring. Just what the doctor ordered, Colin.
Ready? You pumped?
So ready.
I would say come stand on the other side. Come closer. Okay, sports fans, now for all the cash, we have one final game.
I love surprises.
Here, ready? No, there's already. Okay. Okay. Come on, Jacob. Hey, Barry, come. Yeah, cheer. Get rid of the paper, get rid of the paper. Make sure you have all the letters.
This is BS.
Get rid of that so much shaving cream. Put it on your shirt. Put it on the table. I'm all fired up, Colin.
That's it?
Yep.
I'm all fired up on?
I'm all fired up, Colin.
Oh, I'm all fired up, Colin.
Yeah, I'm all fired up.
Oh, I'm all fired up, Colin.
That's good. On your mark, get set, go. Tell this guy that the fans is off to a good start. Tune in next week.
Yeah! That was awesome.
Sure.
How do I've got friends in low places.
So yeah, like while I'm talking, like kind of you humming it to yourself, and then say, "I got friends in low places where the whiskey." Finish. After 3 weeks, we finally got the Reindeer Rumble champion, Steve-O.
Well, I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away.
That is a pretty good song. And that's a wrap on today. And that's a wrap on the first day of the holiday challenge. No, the Reindeer Rumble. Yeah. I'm Colin. That's Steve-O.